Alright, in this episode we are going to be changing the stock exhaust to the Vance Hines Short Shot Staggered in black. Hey Dale, you want to work on motorcycles? Welcome back to the next episode of a three-part series we have going on, where we're going to be installing the Stage 1 kit on the Harley 883, Iron 883. It's a 2015. This is the stock exhaust, and we're going to be putting on the Vance Hines Short Shots, which I've had sitting around for a few weeks now. It's still winter. We're supposed to be getting snow tomorrow, so just getting things ready for spring. But I absolutely can't wait. This is going to be awesome. Weirdo like this, I'm going to just put the rear one to the back of the bike and the front one towards the front of the bike. So I make sure the front and the back go where they came from. Some stickers from Revzilla. Oh, yeah. Alright, now we gotta dig out those old gaskets, the old donuts. Let me get some fresh ones in there to make sure it seals nice. Alright, I'm just gonna vacuum some of this crap up here, and taking a page out of my dad's book here. While this is all apart, I'm just gonna clean the stuff we can't get to. That would be him right now yelling at me saying, get to it now because you can't get to it with the pipes on there. So take a few minutes, clean it up, and I'll see you guys back when I'm done with that. That bracket on the inside. Put your new bolts through the back that they supply you. You leave everything loose at this point so that you can square it up and then tighten it down all at once. You want to make sure that these get a good seal with these being parallel at the same time. So I'm just dry fitting everything right now, keeping it loose. Tighten these hose clamps down. You don't want to go over tight. Just using a small 1/4 inch drive ratchet on these. make sure that they're in a spot when you put them on, that they're still accessible, but that you don't see them face on. The O2 sensors are connected. We will need to tune this now. So we're gonna fire up the fuel pack, FE3. Turn on the ignition. Search for maps. Exhaust, Vance Hines. Short shot staggered. Standard baffle. Stock 883 with high flow air filter. That's the next thing we're going to be doing here, is putting a high flow air filter on. I've heard of people that have done the exhaust and the FP3 upgrade without doing the air filter, and they said it ran okay, but we are doing the full stage 1. So now we just need to flash the system. Right now the phone and the bike are talking to each other. And that's it. So we should be good to go now. The only thing to do at this point is fire it up. Alright everyone, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed it, hit the thumbs up. If you want to see more content like this, tell me in the comments below. And as always, please subscribe. So I'll see you on the next one.